Dude, I don't even know what to say. What should I say in my intro? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We got an extra special video for you today. In the realm of 3D printing, you got your extra special exotic filaments. You got the wood fill. You see that? Wood. If you're getting really jiggy with it, you got your TPU. If you ain't printing in black, you printing in crack. We have also a special rarity here today, making the scene. We've got the gold. Got this real cheap at auction from the Hoffman crew. But we're not printing any of that crap today. Nuh-uh. No go. Hard boiled, baby. Today we're printing a grade A material. Coming in at a great value. Also has a great source of protein. You guessed it, it's eggs. Now that's exotic. Now what I really got going on here is just kind of want to show off my PID system for heating up my Gecko Tech build plate. For those of you who want to know, I'm going to try and have a more in-depth video about my PID system in a later video, but for now, you know, we got to do what Rocky does. If we want to be the best, we got to train with the best. And we got the righteous robo set up for cooking some eggs. Now after doing some extensive research, consulting with some of the industry's leading scientists, you may have heard of one, a good buddy of mine, Bill. You know, known him since, you know, as a wee lad in elementary school. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. Saw a video that he did where cooked an egg at 55 degrees Celsius and took about 20 minutes. I got to thinking, hey, the righteous Robo over here, the righteous Randy, that build plate can get hotter than 55 degrees Celsius. And I like to start my days off right with some grade A protein. Now the first thing we're going to want to grab here is our nice egg cooking pan. I got this over easy deal at Goodwill, $3. Can't go wrong. Now this frying pan it's real nice, It's, you know it's meant for cooking eggs because we got our little egg character right there, and just product you can't go wrong with. It's excellent. What are you, hard boiled? One of the nicest features about eggs is they come individually wrapped straight from nature. When they're you know it's better when it's individually wrapped. That was stupid, dude. I can't say that. I'm trying to build a YouTube empire here. I can't be dealing with your wood problems, man. Now to start printing in this exotic material, the first thing you want to do is you're going to grab, find an egg here, one that's, tickles your fancy. We got all types of yolks here, folks.
Different yolks for different folks.
We got different yolks for different folks. Now, since I want to promote a healthy lifestyle, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna have egg whites. Oh, jeez, I cracked that one terrible, but all right, you get the idea. Now, the reason why we don't want to use the egg yolk is because, I don't know. Now we're gonna do this right, and we're gonna pre-scramble our egg whites here, just getting that extra flavor, that extra sauce. Now that we got our egg whites here, we're going to do this Gordon Ramsay style and garçon. Immaculate. Now you can already see the egg's starting to cook a little bit there, but since we're at a real low temperature, you know, it's gonna take a little while. So prepare yourself for a time lapse. That's a pleasant smell. Oh, that one hits you right in the lower gut. That smell. Doesn't even sound right. Dude, this doesn't even smell right, Holmes. Now I just turned the printer off. As you can see, the eggs came out immaculate, as I suspected. I'm just gonna do a little taste test.
Oh.
I cooked an egg, man.
Oh.
It smells pungent, isn't it?
What?
That's that egg, dude.
Huh.
Like I said, man, it didn't even smell right, dude. That's why I cooked this one on the stove. Like, I put egg yolk on, like, I didn't put egg yolk in that one, and, like, it was turning yellow, man. Anyways, we got some secret sauce here. This ain't no dry rub. Bon appetit. Oh, jeez, it's just an explosion of flavor. I'm just overwhelmed. Ugh. So that secret sauce got a little fight to it. Whew. Oh, delectable. Almost taste the essence of a 3D printer in that. Just has almost like just a hint of little something in there. I don't know, but I like it. I like it a lot. Now, before the side sleuths here get their panties all up in a bunch, no, the egg that I'm eating right now I did not cook on the Robo. The one I cooked on the Robo, I had to toss that. That was no good. No good. I just wanted to make my joke about my secret sauce. Now let me know what you guys thought of the video. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Also, one more thing. Try this out on your printer. Let me know if you can cook an egg. I'd love to see somebody actually do it. Till next time, hombres.